Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to turn off comment notifications on Facebook. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off comments notification on Facebook, go to your Facebook and click on your profile icon on upper right corner and then click on settings and privacy. Click on settings. In left pane, scroll down. Under preferences, you will find notifications. Click on notifications, and the first notification is comments. Click on comments, and here where you receive these notifications, you will find three type of notifications you can receive for comments. One push notification, another one is email notification, and another one is SMS notification. And all types of notifications are turned on here. Just click here to turn it off. I'm turning off push notifications, then email notification, and then turn off SMS notification. This is the easiest way to turn off comments notification on Facebook. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.